Shiru wa GP has introduced her lovely and beautiful mom for the first time. Na Shiru wa GP nyarakorirwo akiumbura ati she's not in the country at the moment. She has left the country for US and UK. Na ona nginya agikiumbura ati she landed safely. Na ekumie na iyo niguo arakorirwo agicerera mami wao who lives there. Na they had a wonderful time kuria Shiru wa GP arakorirwo akirekereria mbica ici, spending time with her mom, na oho akionekana gukorwo aihũirwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩnene mũno nĩ gukorwo magĩcemania na mami wao, ona nginya mami wao onake having a wonderful time with her daughter. Na Shiru wa GP thutha wa kũrekereria mbica ici, mafans ake na arũmĩrĩri ona nginya fellow Kikuyu celebrities mareyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno gukenerera mami wa Shiru wa GP magikiuga this is the first time makorwo makimwona, na oho noting the resemblance between Shiru wa GP and her mom, and also magikimwira they look wonderful. Mafans makenete muno ni kuona mami wa Shiru wa GP na magikiuga she looks quite young and a beautiful lady here, na marakiyumiria na njira nene muno in the comment section, na oho kumendithiria a wonderful time tondu Shiru wa GP araikoretwo endithiria all her fans utuko mwega, agikiuga ati mami witu ni amwira good night, mukome wega na muone toro, nie guku ni ndiracunga muthenya. Na niho arakorirwo akirekereria mbica ici mena mami wao, ahimbiirie mami wao and them having a wonderful time. Na mafans thutha ucio in the comment section magikiuga ni makena muno na magikigeithia nginya mami wa Shiru wa GP Caroline Wanjiku agikiuga geithia mami, onake wa Karura wa Nyoto akiuga onake Shiko Alice great picture, nake Rain Nyams akiuga so pretty, say hi to mom. Penina Mongai akiuga beautiful mom and daughter, onake Mary Mso absolutely gorgeous, onake Judy Wathugi akiuga na ni mwahanana, onake Ruth wa mom akiuga ati nakumbura anakorwo agicemania na mami wa Shiru wa GP na she was so kind to her, akiuga Shiru salimia mom sana, she was my friend nikiwa Kiamombi, aki good heart. Mary Lincoln nake sending out this love emojis, onake Wabuiwa wa Jehia akiuga mware wa Shao ni agirirwo ni muturire fiu, na all the best kuri Shiru wa GP na mami wao as they hang out together, tukamendithiria mahinda mega. Na ona Shiru wa GP ari kure mwena wa UK na US, all the best to her. Na ndugakiriganirwo gu subscribe and follow us on Facebook for the latest and more trending Kikuyu celebrity news.